Hello and welcome to our video on custom reports. The data you fill out on the Kizeo Forms app can be transformed in the form of custom PDF, Word and Excel reports. You can choose from various levels of customization, ranging from standard PDFs to 100% customizable ones. Standard PDF is one of the export formats available. This is a very simple and straightforward PDF report that lists all data entered on your mobile device with only a little personalization. Let's take a look at how to create a standard PDF report. To create a standard PDF report for the form you create on the web platform, in our case the field inspection form, click on the Exports tab on your right. Click on the Modify button next to the standard PDF bar. Here you can choose from various options such as display time on the picture, make images clickable, etc. Furthermore, you can also edit the header and footer of the document to ensure you match your company's branding style. The standard PDF also allows you to import a personalised first page. All you have to do is drag and drop this page in the PDF format onto the space and click on Save. You can also edit the name of your exports. Just type in the name that you'd like to use. You can also use tags to make the names dynamic. Check out our tutorial on tags in the description box for more information. To add your logo to the header of your PDF reports, go to the Kizeo Forms administration interface and upload your logo under My Account Settings. Let's fill out this form to have a look at the final output in the form of a standard PDF report. As you can see, there's some minimal personalization and data entries are automatically available in the document in the simple format. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us at support@kizeo.com. Like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.